we've got it. It's a GoPro Volta. It's finally turned up, and in this video we're going to talk about whether or not this thing is worth it and answer a few of those questions that I'm sure all of you want to know. GoPro Volta, here it is. Now, I ordered this express delivery GoPro, if you're watching this by any chance, and it took about nearly a week. So I paid for express delivery. Don't do that, it's not worth it. It comes in the box with the actual Volta itself. It's really good quality. Just to start this video off, it feels like a quality product. So that's in the box. It comes with a mount. It comes with the spare door as well, which allows you to keep it weather resistant. We'll talk about that in just a second. It also comes with the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and that is it. It comes with a lanyard on the bottom, which is handy, but something I probably won't keep on there because I don't think like things jangling about. The first thing we're going to talk about, is it worth it? Now, I've done a few calculations and I think I've come to a conclusion that it is worth the money. The battery in here is 4,900 milliamps, so if you do the calculations, a normal battery of a GoPro is 1,720, so there's about 3 batteries in here, just short, about 2.87 worth of batteries if you do the maths, and that alone probably makes it worth it. I got this for £83 in the UK with my GoPro subscription. Normally, if you haven't got a GoPro subscription, it's £119.99. So if you've got the subscription, it's probably worth it. With those batteries added up, that's about £74, 3 batteries worth. So for that extra £10, you're getting a tripod. I actually did pay, sillily, about £30 for this shorty tripod. We've got the extension on there, so you're saving £30 on a tripod. You do get a remote. Now, GoPro's own remote is about £79 if you want a Bluetooth remote. This actually works wirelessly up to 30 meters, so you're saving that money as well. And also you get the extra mount on the back, which we'll talk about as well. I love this extra mount. That is a very clever idea, the pop-out mount on the back. So I worked today to put all those things separately. You're probably talking about £190, so £83 or £119 separately. You are saving money and it is worth it. That is my conclusion. I really do think this is worth it, and it's really good quality. Really good quality for what you're paying for. Secondly, it is compatible with the GoPro 9. It works with the 9 and 10, not with the 8 because of the different size door and different size body, but 9 and 10 compatible, so if you've got both of those cameras, it'll work with both of those. One of the most asked questions on a lot of the videos I've watched out there about the GoPro Volta is, does it work without a battery? And yes, it does. You don't have to have a battery in the GoPro, so that's going to help with the overheating issues some people are concerned about as well. You could literally run this all day for about 4 or 5 hours, depending on what sort of frame rates you're using, and I don't think you'd get any overheating issues because it's the GoPro battery inside the actual body that generally causes those overheating issues. So you can use this without a battery in the GoPro. That will reduce the battery life, of course, because you haven't got a fully charged battery in there, so it uses that battery first, I would presume, so it will reduce how much battery goes into this, but you can use it without a battery in the GoPro. Another question on some of the videos was, is it weather resistant? Yes, it is. It comes with this spare door which clips, and it's actually got like a weather resistant seal in there, which the USB-C charging cable clips through, and it's got a rubber seal on this as well, so it does keep it weather resistant. It's nicely sealed off there, so that's why it comes with the extra door. It's not going to be waterproof. Of course, this is a battery. This is not going to take this underwater, so this is not going to be waterproof, but if you're taking this out in rain and it does shower, I'm not going to be worried about wrecking my GoPro because this will protect it on the side there. I wanted to buy this separately because I didn't want the media mod. The microphone on the media mod is no good. I wouldn't recommend that at all. If you buy the creator kit, it's about £508 in the UK. You get the GoPro, you get the Volta, you get the media mod with the microphone, which is poor, and you get the light. It also comes with a spare battery and an SD card. So it's not a bad deal, but I wouldn't recommend doing it that way. I wanted to just buy the Volta separately, and I'm going to build my own custom rig in a future video with some of the better accessories out there that you can buy for the GoPro 9 and 10 to get really good audio, really good lighting, and a really good video experience overall. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe and press a bell so you don't miss that future upload coming very soon. Basically, the Volta is a tripod with the battery built into the handle. It doesn't extend, but this does swivel. It's a little bit stiff, but it does swivel around, which is good. This extra clip on the side can be used for mounting it to different things. You could add backpack accessory on here. This is what I'm going to do. Something like this from Peak Design is like the GoPro backpack clip. This works with their clip, so you can put it on there, and then when you're walking around, you can clip it onto your backpack. That's something I'm going to be doing, and that's something I've been waiting for from GoPro. So we've got the built-in buttons here. They're nice and stiff to press, so you don't press them by accident when you're using this just as a tripod. It does use quick capture, so I've just pressed that and it's turned on, so it's recording. So we've got the mode button there, so you can change the mode, you can connect it to Bluetooth, you can check the battery level there. It's got the indicator lights there to show you how much battery is left in the actual grip itself. So having the buttons here for quick usage is brilliant. It's obviously a wireless remote as well, like I mentioned before, so it works up to 30 meters away. You can have the GoPro mounted elsewhere and use this as a wireless remote. That's another brilliant feature. So all in all, this was just a first impressions look at this. I will be getting out and about and testing it, trying to let you know what the battery life is like over a full day shooting. We're going to go out and vlog with this, but I want to build out my custom rig with a good microphone system and a light on there before we do that. So like I said, if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss that future upload coming really soon. So they do claim 5K 30, you should get about 4 hours recording, but I think you'll get over 5 hours with just recording 4K 30, which is probably what I recommend frame rate wise to shooting. Well worth it in my eyes. You're saving a lot of money, you're getting a lot of features, you're getting the Bluetooth remote, the controls, the tripod, and you're getting the extra battery life. You're also getting a really well built product. So if you're a GoPro owner and you've already got the 10 or the 9, then I fully recommend this accessory. Really good and probably an essential for a GoPro owner when it comes to just adding extra battery life to it as well. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos on the Volta and GoPro and action cameras in general. We've got lots of tech uploads every single week, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.